mist drapes a mountain veil. The bells drift through the pine. The stones cradle the trail. Their silence answers mine. She stepped from clouded light, her smile the scent of pine. Her hair was chestnut bright, the song a tender sign. We shared no word, just eyes. The hush was just refined, but it was brief like sighs and left no mark behind. Night drifts without a bound, its stars are dreams of mine. The song moves soft around and fades beyond the line.
If I ever slipped away, lights go dark, no words to say. Pulled from this skin like breath on glass, you'd still be the thing I circle back. Not 'cause the stars don't shine up there, but you're the place I feel most bare. Heaven may be velvet skies, but you're fire behind my eyes. I'd walk through heat, through memories' flame, even if the sky forgot my name. No map, no path, I'd still believe you're the one I couldn't leave. If I had to go, I'd still come back through 1,000 stars in endless black. Not for glory, not for grace, just for the echo of your face.
What do you say when you make a
This
mistake?
love, this laugh,
Very good.
this
How many
sweet
fingers you
old
have?
ache. You are the heaven I would
What helps you to feel? Very good.
So if